Maharaj! Maharaj! Maharaj!
What is it? Why are you shouting, Pradyot?
Maharaj, Krishna, he has entered Mathura.
Yes, I am aware of that. I have called him here.
In front of everyone, he punched your personal attendant just once and overpowered him.
What?
Just by touching a deformed woman called Trivakra, he cured her of her deformities and made her a beautiful woman.
So this is Devki's eighth son. Finally, I have found him. Now, Krishna, be prepared to meet your end. Who are you?
I am the powerful Kans, the one who has conquered Indralok.
What? No. Attention! Anyone who so wants can take part in today's wrestling competition, and Maharaj Kans will give the winner whatever he wants. Attention!
O irreligious Kans, the end of your atrocities is at hand. He will put an end to you and your atrocities on earth and establish religious practices.
Krishna! Krishna! Oh, Krishna!
Praise be to the son of Yashoda Kanhaiya
Krishna! Krishna, my son.
Mother. 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 Mother.
Please pay attention! Oh, children of Dholakpur, a golden opportunity! An amazing archery competition will be held 2 p.m. onwards. He who hits the bullseye shall win the competition. Come one, come all!
A warm and a hearty welcome to all. The contest begins now. All the selected players of the contest may strike 3 arrows each at the target. And within 14 seconds of the gunshot, all arrows on target. Every correct target hit wins 1 point each. The first round begins now. On your marks. May now move to the second line. Get set. Contestants reaching the third round are Kalia, Raju, Chutki, and Bheem. Congratulations and well done, all of you. In this round, coconuts will be tossed in the air consecutively in a row for each player, who with the arrow has to split each coconut in mid-air before touching the ground. All players get ready. On your mark.
Yay!
It is now the semi-final round. The contestants in this round are Kalia, Raju and Bhim. Now the players will be tossed all the coconuts together, each of which they have to split in mid-air before the coconuts touch the ground. All players may now get set. Snake!
You found it more important to save my life than winning this important competition. I will give you one more chance.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. Our duty is to abide by the rules of the contest. Please allow the finals to take place between Raju and Kalia.
Bravo, Bhim. Well done.
And now, the final round between Kalia and Raju. This round is called the Splitting Sound Round. The players will be blindfolded with a black strip of cloth. Soon as the bell is struck, just by following the ring of the bell, both players will have to shoot the arrow at it. Get ready! A single arrow, just one arrow will decide the winner of the Arjun Award.
This contest has been a joyful one. Raju has struck each target every time. Raju is undoubtedly Dholakpur's brave Arjun Award winner.
Raju! 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 Raju!
I think I should rest here. Sleep for a while maybe. Now I shall sit here and wait for a fool to come by. You stand right under me and you pretend to ignore me?
I'm sorry. I don't know what this is all about.
Go and tell the villagers to offer me food and money. If you don't, I shall destroy Dholakpur forever.
As you wish.
Just look at this tree. It has been standing here for ages. And today suddenly, it demands food and money. And it has been rooted to this place. And if you don't, will it destroy you? Tell me, huh? Wow, Kalia, great! You're really smart. But how can a tree...
How many one anyway?
I will this boy. But I will not give up till I finish my job.
We did not listen to the tree, and look what it's done.
What do you have to say, Bhim?
Yes, Your Majesty. We should act very carefully. There surely is something shady going on. Jakku, you climb up and check out who is there.
Oh, what a foolish tree this is!
Are you coming out or should we come in?
Hey, come out, you coward!
Hungry for laddus?
Raju, it's 2 days since I last ate laddus.
Forget it, no more laddus now.
No more laddus? Why is that?
Tuntun auntie is guarding the laddus herself now.
Yes, even I cannot touch them now. She's guarding them day and night, very eager to catch the thief.
Oh, there must be a way out. I want those laddus. Raju, please think of something.
Yes, of course. We have to do something about it.
Snake! Snake!
It's not real. See, it's a rubber snake.
See how we fooled you? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. Ready?
Ready!
Chutki out! Hey, why didn't you hide?
Look, Jaggu, this butterfly is very cute and beautiful. I wanted to save it from the spider and set it free.
Chutki, you're so kind-hearted. Just to save the butterfly from the spider, you got yourself out.
I am no ordinary butterfly. Since Chutki has saved my life, I can grant her any wish she wants.
I do not want anything.
Never mind. Whenever you need anything, just ask me for it and you will have it.
You stay at my home with me. You could be in danger again.
Okay, my dear friends, I'll come with you. Let's go.
Boss, there is the butterfly.
Wow.
Chutki! Where are you? Come here!
Coming, Mom!
I got hurt.
Oh, got you at last. Now quickly grant me my wishes. Come on.
Please let me go. I can fulfill wishes only of people who save my life.